This is a message to all Americans that think Canadian, socialized, universal healthcare is a solution to all your problems. Canadian here, and I'm going to let you in on my lived experience with the Canadian healthcare system. I'm going to preface this by saying that this isn't the experience of all Canadians, but unfortunately it is the experience of many. There seems to be a misconception that everything is free here. It isn't. Dental, vision, prescriptions, and all forms of therapy are all paid for out of pocket unless you have some form of health insurance. We also pay a crazy amount in taxes. Canada has a population of 38 million people, which is roughly the size of California, and 1 in 5 people don't have access to a family doctor, which is roughly 6 million people. And it's not because they can't afford it, it's because available doctors simply do not exist. And you can't just walk into a clinic and ask for a doctor. They all have signs up that say not accepting new patients. Instead, you need to contact the government to be placed on a wait list. And in my town, you could be waiting at least 5 years. And if you're lucky enough to finally land a doctor, but that doctor is awful, which in a lot of cases they are, too bad. You get what you get. We do not have the luxury of choice here. Due to the extreme lack of family doctors, our emergency departments are extremely clogged. You could be waiting up to 20 hours or more to receive care. Because of the wait times in the emergency department, people are losing their lives. And unfortunately, this is one of the latest heartbreaking stories. If you ever need an ambulance, good luck, because we have a shortage. And sometimes there's not a single ambulance available at all for my entire province of 1 million people. Have cancer or need specialists for other medical conditions? Good luck. Need blood work? Well, that's too bad because there are 0 appointments available. Need a psychiatrist? Well, that's too bad because there's a 2-year wait list. But hey, if you want medical assistance in unaliving yourself, the government is more than willing to facilitate that and will even suggest it. And that really is a testament to how well the system is working, that the government is actually asking us to unalive ourselves. Gotta ease the burden on the system somehow, right? And another testament to how well our system works is how many Canadians have to raise money so they can go to the US for healthcare that they cannot receive in Canada. If socialized medicine doesn't work in a country with 38 million people, how do you expect it to function in a country with 330 million people? I understand your system has its faults, but please stop listening to people like Bernie Sanders and AOC. They're nothing but snake oil salesmen selling a pipe dream. Socialized medicine isn't the answer for your problems. It's too expensive to uphold, and ultimately, it's a failed system.